pillars. First one is empathy. In this empathy part, we will discuss about the problems faced by the user, and the second part is define. In this define part, we will gather a solution for this problem which we empathized in the first stage, and it will be many solutions will be given in this design part, and the next third stage is defined. Third stage is ideate, in which we will gather any one idea to prototype and test. In this define, we will use one idea, and for prototyping, we will make it as a prototype and work for it
as a working model.
As a working model, we will work for it. And the last stage is testing, in which we will test for this solutions, and we will make the empathize
into customer satisfaction. Like you are using the final
it is in a product.
Yes, yes.
In empathy part, all over the world they are having major accidents. In India itself, in every second they have millions of accidents are occurring. Like in Dindigul bypass, defined as unsafe road because they are having more accidents recently. So we are trying to overcome that part.
So at the defined part, we can overcome this accidents by controlling of speeding and automatic brakes and any other pollution detection methods. So in this, we have used of automatic pollution detection method. So it will be explained by our team.
So this is like several steps. It will be divided into 3 types. Let's see the ideate part, like define from ideate part. Defining is nothing but there are so many solutions which is given by like controlling the automatic braking system they gave. Like and another one method is like you have to indicate something with only buzzer like someone is giving. So if someone is drunk and drive, they can't manage these two things. So we have a particular ideate method that's nothing but a three technique method, which can avoid the collision. And those topic is coming along the collision control method. So the first step is when the kilometer speed is above 60 and your distance is above 20 meters or something. When it is coming to the red zone, there will be 3 zones like green and yellow. Ultrasonic sensor, because it will give echoing method. This is like echoing method which gives transfer sound waves to dash upon opposite particle, and when the echo comes back, you can identify something is in between those 2 particles. Like you will be abstracts will be defined. So like in ideate part we are having 3 zones like yellow zone, like traffic lights. This like red, yellow, and green. If the vehicle distance is between like 60 meters. When the 60 meters, that will go into the green zone, where something collision going to be happen will be detected by ultrasonic sensor. Like when it comes to green zone, it will give like a light LED blinking method at whether in dash cam underlight or in speedometer controlling section. Because the first thing we will note is only fuel section, speeding control, everything will come under those speedo and dash cam. Yeah. To see, you will see steering first. So under that we will have some speedometer controller. That itself will be indicated. So that will be first LED blinking will be there. Next in yellow zone, like buzzing sound will be produced. Any sort of like horning sound of something will be given. When the source is between 30 meters to something distance will be there. Then when you are going for the red zone, the most strategic zone, it will be under like 10 to 20 meters only distance will be there. So at that time automatic braking, like not complete braking, like 50 km to 40, 40 to 30 and 20. Totally don't stop because gear methods will be shuffled. So we have to maintain between 20 km speed. If 10 also comes, it will be off. The vehicle will be getting off. So you can use both this in car and bikes. You can use it.
Normally, car and bikes, you can use in any vehicles.
Yes, ma'am.
Because
it is nothing but blinking and buzzing only, ma'am. So any type of in lorry, heavy vehicles, everything you can use it. Because if sudden braking happens, dashing will be happening. If fasting happens, rash driving and dashing will be happening. So to control this, only gradual decreasing of speed only works out. Many different tips they told the automatic braking system will be working, but sudden braking cause always damage.
Next one is on using a prototype model, and we are using Arduino UNO or any other Arduino. We are using ultrasonic sensor and buzzer and LED. And we are using buzzer, many type of buzzer we are using. Electromechanical buzzer we are using. Why we can using this buzzer? We can even using integrated buzzer in our parts. We are using it has been quite limited, and by using
Less power consumption already will be happening. Like that 5 voltage is even enough to work under this ordinance and knowledge. Yes, ma'am. Battery, basically battery, e-vehicle, everything you can fit it. So.
Using a microcontroller, PWM models, we have classic models, and many other models we are using, and we have converted into an analog to digital converting signals in the microcontroller, and we are using an ultrasonic sensor. It can detect wave noise. It can detect some decibels. We are using 20 decibels to 140 decibels. We are using high level ultrasonic sensor. It can detect 40 meters. It can detect. And we are using light indication in a model. We are using a project like prototype. We can using light indication. By a first step of light indication, we can identify various and vehicle, some of the distance, and we have go to a shorter distance, and the buzzer will be indicate, and near the way it can reduce the speed, and we can control the car, and we can we can drive safe when people are everything. And next part is in testing part. The testing part is a more important part. By using a customer perspective,
getting all the information from the customer.
Any problems or any projects or facing any problems.
It will just the outcome will be your prototype.
It couldn't get failure because less power consumption. You can use an e-vehicle and also manual driving, so no other chances to get a failure.
And the cost of each and every model is also very
Simple. You can use audible for simple construction. It will around 300 or 400 only it will be. Ultrasonic sensor, you know, as such it is cost friendly. So you can use this as a very simple method. Power consumption battery. Main problem in our bike or whatever vehicle is battery consumption. Like less than 5 voltage is gradually needed. Then that is okay to be monitored because all other engines are consuming more than like 1000 volts. So this is okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.